Welcome back to another video. My viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, it's all about update on my little farm here at home. You know, a couple days we get little rain, you know what I mean? I have a drum full of water here, so I cover it. And I have an next half drum here. Yeah, so water is, I have a half jug here also. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, we get couple little rainfall recently, and trust me, I'm going to show you what's going on. The few little raindrops, yeah, this is what going on. This is what going on, my viewers. Yeah, the few little raindrops. This is what going on. A lot of blossom, a lot of pepper is out because of, as you can see. Let's go around here and show you the next one here. As you can see, yeah, this is what the rainfall does to these pepper here. Yeah. Yeah, this is what's going on here. Alright. Yeah, my viewers. Everything look fresh and up. Because them get water, alright? I have a pepper over here, sweet pepper. Spoiling here. I don't know what happened to it, but it have a change of color here. Show you from this side. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Alright. But as you can see, my viewers, I have a root of corn here. Looking very good. Yeah. Yeah, man. I have a next root here looking lovely. Alright. Yeah, man. Corn. Alright, my viewers. This plant now, I need to water it. This is a lime. This is a piece of lime limb. I think I do a shot on it. Yeah, recently. I go to the lime tree, get a plastic cup, full it of dirt, and tie it on. I strip the skin off the tree first. Yeah, I strip one of the piece of the branch, put a cup of dirt around it and tie it with plastic and leave it there. So when I check back about 3 months after and I pull off the plastic, there was root. So I plant it inside here. So you don't know. If it catch and start to grow, I'm gonna give it some water now and start to grow. It's gonna bear same at this size here. It's going to bear same here because it was a bearing tree. I cut it off. So after certain time, I cut it off the tree and I plant it here. So the root was down there, so it's going to continue to grow. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that is how you get a plant to bear very quickly. You strip the branches, and then you add some dirt to it, tie it up with plastic, and leave it for it to catch root. I have a nice okra plant here. It is the only one. All right, and as you can see, my tomato, I stick them recently, as you can see. And all my pepper, I do some chalicing and some pruning on my peppers here. So yeah, I'm giving my lime plant water. Yeah, it is the evening now. The evening time is cool. It's time to give it water. You know what I mean? Yeah, make sure you give it enough water to catch. You know what I mean? I plant a next pepper sucker here. Recently, it was very small. It is growing. Time to give it some water. Alright. I have a next plant here, my viewers, and I'm going to show you this plant. But let me get some more water out the drum here. I have a plant here. This plant is a magnificent plant, so I get a sucker from the tree. From underneath the tree, I dig up a drop of sucker and plant it here. This is the ram goat dash along. You know what I mean? Don't know if it's gonna catch, but I plant it here and I'm going to water it now. Yeah, the ram goat dash along. Alright. So hope it catch. Hopefully it catch. Yeah, where I can get a big plant from it. All right. I have a lime tree plant here. I have a chocho here. Soon time for planting. Just leave it there for it to sprout. All right, this is a lime sucker here. Give it some water also. Yes, my viewers. You have to plant something, everywhere I go I plant something. My chocho plant here. Yeah. My chocho plant is springing all over. Up on the rooftop. Springing. It go across and gone up into that tree there. But trust me, it doesn't matter where it go. I'm right behind it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, let me show you around the back here. Look on my banana tree here. You remember this banana plant? Notice how big it is. Notice how big it is? Yeah, it is getting huge. Alright. I have a next banana plant here, but that is not that big. As you can see, I have a pumpkin plant here. And trust me, I think it never have on any pumpkin, but I guess I see a young one on it. You know? And I see some blossom on it. I planted it recently. See if the young one drop off or it's still on it. Seems like that young one drop off. Seems like it drop off. Seems like it drop off. Alright. Once it started to blossom, it is doing something, you know what I mean? There is some blossom there. That is some male blossom. The female blossom is very short. So once it starts to put out blossom, it is doing something, alright? So yes, my viewers. It's all about. Over here, I want to do our next little backing up over here. Right up to where you see them whole fridge. Yeah, if you notice, I bury a post there in the, that thing in the here is a post that I buried in the here to make a fencing come down to here and go back across there. So I'm gonna do some farming over there, you know what I mean? Yeah, I want to raise some fish in those old fridge. Yeah, so that I can use the fish water to do some watering. So all inside here, I'm about to clean on inside here. Yeah, it's all about at home. This is a planting sucker. This is a planting sucker. Planting. Yeah, so keep watching, make sure it's alright. Yeah? Yeah, man, it's all about the farm. You have to plant something. Yeah. I love these 2 roots of corn here. Beautiful. I have 3 more roots over here, but them not so bossy. You know? Them hand in them pocket, but them not so bossy. Yeah, like them one here. Alright? I have a huge pepper over here. Yeah, my viewers. Man, I have to plant something, my viewers. Yeah? I'm gonna show you across in the TV back. Alright? Alright, this is the TV back. See it? It is a TV back. Yeah, so inside here, I have 1 huge pepper here. And this tree here. I have a next plant here. I have a young one, but the goat them heat it down, man. The goat them. If I follow the goat them, I don't have nothing. Yeah, man. As I was saying, this plant here, as you can see, all the leaves are half. This is not pruning. Alright? If you notice right to the top, the goat them eat it off. The goat them eat it off, Rasta. Trust me, say the goat them eat it off. Alright, this is my lettuce, as you can see. Yeah? Seems like this side the seeds them drying already to plant, you know, so I'm gonna give it a little more time before I cut them off and put them to dry. I have some sucker inside here because I did have some pepper cut up to get the seed out, but it was the yellow pepper and the red pepper and they mix up, some of the seed mix up, so I just throw them inside here. because I don't want to mix up the red and the yellow pepper together. You understand? So I just throw them inside here. I don't know which one is red, which one is yellow. So I just throw them inside here. So soon I'm going to plant them out. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. It's all about Jamaican farmers. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can see the next video coming out. All right? So trust me, I'm going to put a video here that you can watch if you want to watch the next video. Or if not, you can watch this video over here. All right? My name is Ever Slick. Peace. And I'm out. Respect and manners. All right, my viewers and subscribers?